Azera, as the flagship of Hyundai, had to express the company's design philosophy and its own presence. It had to go beyond trends and present a new vision. We had to break away from the familiar and make a bold attempt for change. Majestic and serene through simplicity, the most captivating design of all. New era of the high end. Take one step closer to the future of convenient and safe driving through the Hyundai Smart Sense. Allows you to maintain a constant speed and distance from the vehicle ahead by automatically accelerating and braking. Alerts the driver by detecting vehicles in blind spots. Recognizes the markings on the lane to prevent unintended departure. Alerts the driver of risk of crashing, automatically braking when necessary. Provides a 360-degree view around the car. It even keeps an eye out for driver negligence by detecting fatigue or a careless driving pattern. New era of the high end, the all-new Azera.